Welcome to Warrior 2 or Virabhadrasana 2, second of the third Warrior series. Vira means warrior, and you will find this pose in every style of yoga almost, from vinyasa to ashtanga especially, and also hatha-based practices. Now, this pose is incredible because it's strong. It has you feel empowered when you're in the pose. The benefits of this pose are not only does it tone the front thigh, which you will experience here in a moment, it also strengthens the ankles and it tones and relieves the stiffness of the hips. A lot of us have congestion in our hips because we're driving a lot and we're sitting a lot, we're doing a lot of walking. So coming into this pose where we open the hip literally, it has a lot of relief there. This pose is often paired with an amazing posture taught often in vinyasa yoga called reverse warrior, an amazing side bend and an opening on the side body. And so let's demo the pose together. We'll meet you at Tadasana at the top of the mat. I will mention that we're just going to step out to the side. When you're practicing this out in the world, you will most likely move into the pose from downward facing dog, as that is most typical. Now, as you're in Tadasana, take a generous step open with your right foot so your hips are open, facing the long side of your sticky mat. Now, be mindful that your heels are heel to heel alignment, and your back heel is fully rooted on the mat. Now, if you immediately have any hip pain, you can toe heel your right foot in just a little bit so you can really press out through the back edge of your left heel, of your back heel. And then another thing to take note on is the front knee. It's important that the knee doesn't fall in. If you're not paying attention, your knee will just cave in. So press the outer left knee to the left while you get your knee stacked above your heel. And in order to get your left thigh to a 90-degree bend, you might need to take your left foot further forward so you can really bend in and feel the power of Warrior 2. Awesome. This is great. You've seen how Ashen has her hands on her hips the entire time while she maintains the extension and the lift of the sternum. Good. Before we take the hands out, think about this. Pressing the outer left knee to the left, same time, the inner seam of your front pant left leg is reaching forward. So these two actions are like a contradicting pull, which allows you to open your hip joint. Now, let's add the extension of the arms. Reach the hands out and long with your shoulders. And notice, most people, they reach forward because we're so head forward, thinking so much. Let's get present. Imagine that there's a wall where your right foot is pushing. Reach back so your fingertips are stacked above your feet, which maintains the shoulders above the hips. You've got a strong leg. Amazing. The breath is breathing. And now from here, we find reverse warrior. You flip the palm and inhale. Drop the right hand onto the leg and extend the left side body up and forward as you arc the hand. The breath is breathing. The back heel is rooted. Take a full breath in. And then exhale, release your hands and step to the top of your mat. And I'll mention again, as you're in the pose in a vinyasa practice, typically the end of that sequence will be a chaturanga. So if you haven't watched that one, go back and check out chaturanga, as these all pair together very well. Thank you for practicing reverse warrior and warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2.